Guys, do good because it's your nature. We live in a world where applause often defines value, where likes, validation, acknowledgement feel like the reward. But here's something powerful to remember: you do not need appreciation to be good, you just need to remember it's who you are. Goodness is your nature. You do not have to prove it, you just have to live it. Whether or not someone says thank you, whether or not your effort is noticed, whether or not they are ever realize what you did for them, your energy isn't wasted. You were true to yourself, and that's the real victory. The all appraises and all the good feedbacks that we get, that is for a limited time, and with the time eventually they also got faded away. So in order to have that constant uh, happiness within you, that constant satisfaction, contentment, for that you need to realize this is how you do things. It is you. Imagine a tree that gives you shade. It does not ask who is sitting under it. It does not ask if they are grateful. It just gives, because that's what it does. That's how you are too. You are here to radiate, not to calculate. And from this learning, I remembered one video that I recorded earlier, where I have been speaking about this, how it was a quote by Pope Francis, I guess. And he shared very beautiful learnings in those quotations. Let me share it with you all. I read a very beautiful quote by Pope Francis today, and it has a very deep meaning. It says, rivers do not drink their own water. Rivers do not drink their own water. The trees do not eat their own fruits. Trees do not eat their own fruits. The sun does not shine for itself, and the flowers does not give fragrance for themselves. Living for others is a rule of nature. Living for others is a rule of nature. We all are born to help each other, no matter how difficult it is. Life is good when you are happy, and much better when others are happy because of you. When others are happy because of you. Beautiful. So, this was a great learning from these lines. These remain deep ingrained in me, and I truly believe in these. So, you just have to do your good and leave the rest. It's very, very important to do it, because we are not here in this world to always get some validation, some approval from anyone. At the end, it's you who need to approve yourself. The world may not always acknowledge your goodness, but your soul always will. And when your actions come from your nature, from your need, you feel peaceful, powerful, and free. You stop waiting, you stop expecting, you just keep giving because it's who you are. Keep showing up with compassion, keep doing the right thing, even when no one sees. Because the truth is, the impact you make silently often echoes the loudest in someone's life. So ponder upon this today and apply it in your life. And one takeaway from this video, I hope this will be helpful in some or the other way. Until next time, keep feeling, keep healing. This is light within you.